Alright, so today on the channel we're checking out the Simpson 15-inch surface cleaner with steel deck construction. I bought this off of Amazon. Simpson's a pretty well known name in the pressure washing industry. Had a lot of good reviews, already some videos on YouTube about it, so I figured I'd try it out on our cheap little secondhand brand new Generac pressure washer that we're playing with. Let's see what this thing will do. So when we take it out of the box, it's wrapped in just a plastic bag and has, I thought it was like a book of instructions. It's really just a sheet that you open up like a poster. Pretty much says what PSI it's good for and not to spray it at your face or directly at any other body parts. So pretty simple stuff, common sense. Alright, this surface cleaner comes with a quick connect already connected, so you'll need a lance that also has a quick connect on the end. This will plug right in, ready to roll. Now you can see what I did here in about 2 minutes, maybe if that. This is the first time I've ever used a surface cleaner. The last few times I've cleaned off the cement, I just used a cheap old Harbor Freight electric pressure washer and used the nozzle and just sprayed and took my time and killed my back, and it didn't turn out nearly as clean as this. Had a little dirt on it where I walked on it. But yeah, this thing, I could knock this cement out in 10 minutes or less. And it's about a 20 by 12, something like that, ramp going in my shop. And it's very uneven. It's got some slopes in it, some dips, and it's got some texture to it. It's not smooth by any means, but yeah, it turned out pretty good. I'm gonna start it up and just shoot just a couple of seconds of me using it so you can see how easy it is. I'll be holding the phone in one hand and surface cleaner in the other. Alright, so we got the machine running, and this is how easy it is. Pull the trigger. Look at the machine. It has powered out, and I've got it set on heavy duty, which shows brick for a little icon, 3000 psi. The surface cleaner is supposed to be good for up to 3900, I believe, so we're well into specs, and you can see what a difference it's making on that cement, and that's with no chemicals or any type of cleaner. This is pretty much just a demo video, but it's going pretty quick, so I'm going to knock out the whole thing and see what it looks like. Alright, so here's the finished product after using the Generac OneWash Pressure washer with the Simpson 15-inch surface cleaner. It's not completely dry, but dry enough to show how much brighter it is than it was when we started. All that dirt and everything you can see at the bottom is still not dried, but maybe a little bit of streaking, but not a whole lot gonna know for sure until it's actually dry. If there is a few streaks, I'll go back and post treat it with some SH. This was done with nothing but just pressure from the water, no chemicals of any kind, and it cleaned up pretty good, but it was really just dirt and stuff. I knew the paint and everything wasn't gonna come up, didn't even try. I'd say for right around 60 bucks, I think is what the surface cleaner cost me. I really can't beat it if you got a pressure washer that'll run it. Of course, if you got a bigger pressure washer, you can go with a bigger surface cleaner. But for the price, the Simpson's well-known brand, so I figured it was hard to beat. Had good reviews. I'll post a link to the one I bought on Amazon down below. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, anything on these videos. Help me out, help me get this channel started. I will be doing some more pressure washing videos in the future. I'm going to do a downstream injector to do some vinyl siding. I've got to go do a family member's cement and some brickwork around his house. I'll post some before and afters of that too, and what I use to get the results that I get. Thanks for looking. Like, subscribe, hit that thumbs up button.